back when Tirasa told me that Eibsee was the most beautiful lake in Bavaria. I was like, man, maybe all lakes look the same. Now that I'm here, wow. The second thing is I have this theory that wherever I go, it starts raining. And that's something that's annoying to everyone who is traveling with me. Let's see how much we can capture. But anyways, in real life, this place is amazing. It's a lake surrounded by mountains on all the sides, and this is like dream-like situation right here. Take a look.
Our clothes rain-soaked. Our camera lenses blurry. The clouds were blocking the view. It didn't go according to the plan. But then, it never goes according to the plan. Nor is it ever the perfect shot. These will never stop me from exploring, from traveling again.
It's raining and our target right now is to circle, like hike around the whole lake. And on one side there is the lake. But the rain is kind of spoiling the vlog so far. This is unique, exciting.
Because it doesn't matter how you perceive things. What really matters is how you express what you perceive. My trip to Eibsee was not perfect. Far from it. But it was memorable. And that is all that matters.
Important lesson we learned today. Next time you go out to travel, always check the weather before you book the tickets.